I'm back again. This time I'm sowing some chrysanthemum. These are tricolour single mixed. They grow to 2 feet high. It says you can sow March to May. Flowers July to October. The only difference is it says for outdoor sowing only. It doesn't say anything about indoor. So, like being me and I like to be a bit different, what I'm trying is to grow them in seed trays and cell trays. So we've got a couple of 6 cell trays here. What I've done is I've just sprinkled, they're the seeds. Let me zoom right in so you can see those 4 there. So I've just sprinkled a few over each of these cells. Sorry, over each of those. And then I've sprinkled some in these half trays. And then what you need to do then is just sprinkle that was a pansy. You just got to sprinkle a quarter of an inch of multi-compost over it, just like I've shown you in the previous videos. And then label it up, and then we'll see whether they grow or not. This will be a Julie experiment, because I don't know whether you can grow them like this or not. So I guess we're going to find out. Thanks for watching.